Hi guys, welcome back to my video channel. So after I upgrade my canister filter to my aquarium to make it water flow back to normal, because everything I've done, cut the hose, make it smaller, like half of it, and replace the impeller, buy a new one, this impeller, and change the water, clean everything, clean all my canister. There we go, that's my canister. And I found out that the best solution for the slow water flow of your canister is your impeller. So I just bought my canister 2 months ago, and suddenly I just changed it because it's my first impression. Then when I try to compare the new one and the old one, it has a different, the shape is same, the impeller is same, so everything is same, but it's something different. The difference was when you're moving this impeller to his white thing like this, the new one is easy to move like that, and my old one is too hard, like sticking. So what I did is I removed the rubber. Just be careful. Opa, there you go. The other side, and the rubber the other side. There you go. And then I remove this one, clean everything, soak this about an hour into a water with soap, and then I clean again. I clean as much as I can to make it a loose like this, and dry it, and then clean again with a dry towel and everything, so it's back to normal. Then put back the rubber, and then put back on your canister, and the water back to normal like this. So it flows a good water because of the simple cleaning. So that's the best solution. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and hit the bell button. Thank you guys, I hope it will help.